lunch.
Almost. Guys, this is like behind the scenes video because I managed to get. I'm not talking to you now. So guys, this is almost like a behind the scenes video because like this is what happens. Like, because I managed to get a full view of the track. So just trial and error. Right, the Dominoes. Oh, we're so close. Right, we're gonna pick one.
Do you want to sit at the table each lunch or on the floor?
Table, please.
Table.
Oh, guys, it's come off. Yeah, table, please, Brenda.
Yeah.
Come off, Lily.
And what do you want? Yours, Maya, or what? You said ham and mayo. Really?
Sort of derailed. That was my fault, that one. It's like, oh. It was gone. Oh, Granddad, look at that.
You hang on busy, look.
Is it working all right, Theo?
Yeah, it almost fell off again.
Oh no. What, same place?
Same track.